Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to change your lock screen on your iPhone devices. Okay, so as you see, I already have my iPhone in hand. All you need to do, just tap it once and then hold the button till it says unlock to edit. Wait a second, sorry. Unlock to edit and wait for it to pop up there. And then you will enter your passcode. And then as you see, you can switch off your change your wallpaper. So all you need to do, just click plus and then select the photo that you would like, and then all you can do, just click add and then customize home screen or set as wallpaper pair. That's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.